Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will teach you how you can use the drawing tool on Canva to draw freehand and manually on your designs and projects. So let us guide you through this and show you how this works. It is actually very simple. So let me go with that example presentation here with that page here. So now I'd like to draw something here. Basically what you need to do is click into Tools here on the left panel and select the drawing tool here. You will see it by that pencil icon. And after that, customize your pencil. For example, you may go with a highlighter or a marker or a simple pen. So let me go with a marker to make it really visible. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click into the color below to select your custom color. You may go with one of these suggested or select a custom color from that panel here. So let me go with a really bright green. And last but not least, guys, what you want to do is select the settings here to choose or to adjust your pen's weight or transparency, for instance. So let me go with a really thick one, just like that. And also let me go with a slightly transparent one, like 50%. And last but not least, simply start drawing here. Like, let me add a smiley. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.